Hi everyone, Tristan here. In this episode, we will be discussing exponential notation. So just a disclaimer, for the purposes of this video, we will only be talking about exponents that are natural numbers. Let's get right into it. In studying math, one of the most common things that you will encounter is repeated multiplication. The exponential notation is a way to write these. For example, let us take the case of 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. We can write it in exponential notation like this. We read this as 5 raised to the 4th power, or simply 5 raised to 4. In this case, we call 5 the base and 4 the exponent. The base is the factor that is repeatedly multiplied by itself, and the exponent tells us the number of times we have to multiply such base. Another example would be 4 raised to 2, which we also read as 4 squared. We can write it as 4 times 4. 4 times 4, as we know, is 16. 3 raised to 3, also read as 3 cubed, is 3 times 3 times 3, which we know to be 27. 2 raised to 5 is simply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which we know to be 32. As an exercise, try to give us the exponential notation of the following items on the screen. Leave your answers on the comments section. That is it for this episode, guys. If you found this video helpful, like and share our video. Visit us at our website, tss.ph. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next episode. And don't forget, we are here to assist you.